Hey, this is Andy from inkxpro. This video I'm going to show you how to download and install the chipless firmware to your printer. Go to inkchip.net and go to soft. Okay, we're going to download the software for the 3720. Here it is. And go to download. And this is the archive file. You can save it into your desktop. We're going to have another software to open it. Well, we're going to download the software which can open the archive file. I prefer the 7-zip, and it's a free software and you can download from here. Click download. This is executable. Just double click it and you install the 7-zip software to your computer, and you can use that software to open or extract the archive file to your desktop. Drag and drop to your desktop. Just right click, open with 7-zip manager, and here's the folder which you download from inkchip.net, and you can extract the folder to here, to your desktop. Let's open the folder. We're going to double click this one, the inkchip.net firmware WF3720. Okay. Go to next. License agreement, and next. Okay, now you turn on your printer and connect your computer to your printer with the USB cable. Then go to next. The 3720 printer here, and now you can start the installation. Proceed with firmware update. Yes. This process may take a few minutes. Okay, now the software has been updated, and then we can click next. Now we're gonna click next. Okay, the processing bar will always show 99%, and just ignore it. The software has been updated. So just click finish. Alright, the printer software has been updated. Okay, after install the chipless software to your printer, we're going to buy the activation key from inkchip.net. Click here, and we're looking for the activation key for the Epson WF3720. Add to the cart and go to the shopping cart. And we have a coupon code you can, if you want to save 10% off. The coupon code is inkxpro. So apply coupon, you get 10% off. You can proceed to check out from here. After you check out, and they will send you, the inkchip.net will send you activation key to your email. To use the activation key, we have to go back to this here, download the activation software from here. This is executable, so you just double click it and you will open a window like this. Okay, here's the activation software we just opened, and you click English and you will see the printer which just connected with your computer. So we're going to do activate online, and I'm gonna copy and paste the activation key. Okay. Activation code ready successfully. And the printer just started doing something here. Okay. Here's the backup code. You need to copy and paste somewhere, and just in the future you're gonna reactivate the software. I create a file, text file, and open it and save to here. In the future, if something's wrong with the printer firmware updates, you need to do a reactivation. You just copy and paste the backup activation code and paste to here and activate. Okay, now you can use your printer as a chipless printer. Okay, now you can use this chipless cartridges with this printer. You can always find more inkjet product from our website, inkxpro.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to
From
my
the
channel.
knowledge base, and you can find the installation menu, how to's, and thank you for watching.